At the Center for College Readiness at Beacon College, we really believe that the opportunity to really transform students' lives starts with living in the residence halls. So within College Edge, the students live in the apartment-style housing rather than the traditional residence hall experience. We want to diversify their experience of on-campus living before they actually get to campus. One of the biggest areas that college living labs really help with is living with a roommate, understanding college regulations and rules, and then financial management. We know that that's one of the big areas that students struggle with when they go to college. So this set hour and 15 minutes every other day in our program, students are able to really go hands-on into understanding these regulations, understanding budgeting, and most importantly, living with roommates, which is one of the biggest transitions into college, is the community living aspect.
Beacon College definitely helps you learn more about being independent without much help and independent living.
With this program in particular, we are truly mimicking a college living experience. So from res life to how you would handle your own health and wellness during a normal semester at college.
They just give you the motivation to go do things by yourself and for yourself. And I think that's amazing. I just did my laundry before this class. I don't know, it's a lot of fun to test myself and just know that if I can do this, I can do college perfectly.